I am here today to talk to you about this, the Bering Carlos King, a rather large jacket which is available in any colour as long as you like black. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, if you don't mind, I'm going to take this off because I feel like I'm 7 borrowing my dad's jacket again, which quite frankly is a little bit disturbing. But what isn't disturbing are the lengths that Bering have gone to with this jacket. Before we dive into the minutiae of actually what makes this jacket up, why is it here? Well, obviously these have been built from when you saw me wearing it for the larger human being, shall we say. In fact, the sizes go from WXL to W5XL. Now, a W designation might not be something you hear very much. What does it mean? Well, basically, it's like this. You can be large or small in the kind of that way kind of thing. But one thing that doesn't change is kind of arms are usually about the same length and legs are usually about the same length. What tends to change is what is in the middle. And this is what this jacket addresses. And I actually know a couple of people who would love this. Wouldn't you, boys? Sorry, I didn't mean to mention you there, but I think you'd look great in this jacket. So looking here to my lovely model, Bob, good day, Bob, let me show you what we mean when it comes to that. These areas on the arms, for example, are a lot wider than you'd get in what one would call a traditionally built jacket, with a lot more adjustment here on a popper ring, which pulls through like that, meaning you can get a perfect fit on your big beefy arms. Also, the neck is larger too, and then here, and I love this, I think it's brilliant, you have the waist adjustment. Now, okay, waist adjustment, big deal, you're saying. Loads of people have got waist adjustment. Yeah, but are their waist adjustment on rails? Check that out. Now, these are on rails, which will allow whomever is wearing this to place it where they like, where the tightness of the adjustment fits. And that is actually really forward thinking, because I struggle with this a bit. For example, I cannot wear a lot of the time off the peg leathers because my legs are too long. So to get the kind of right fit for my legs, I have to go for a bigger suit, and it's all baggy around here. And that is the case with so many other bikers. Sometimes you have to buy something and it doesn't quite, it does the job, but it doesn't quite fit right. This jacket here, and all the adjustment and all the forethought that's come into it when it comes to the larger rider, means you can actually adjust it as you see fit and get it working perfectly for you. No more compromises. Perfect. There is, of course, some Omega armour in the shoulders. And before I forget, actually, going back to the elbow again, there are actually 2 different armour pockets, meaning you can kind of adjust where it is depending on how big, beefy or weedy your arms happen to be. There are plenty of pockets. There's a wallet pocket. There are 2 inside pockets as well. If, when you buy one of these, you register them online, you will get a 3-year warranty. Bonza. The other bit of good news is there is a matching pair of trousers that go along with this jacket that have been put through the exact same thoughtful process when it comes to understanding and trying to accommodate different shaped bodies. So do give those a look, and they will also have a 3-year warranty if you buy those as well. And again, if you register them online somewhere here. Colour-wise, when it comes to these, they are available in any colour in the universe so long as it is black, which isn't a problem because it looks damn fine in black. And as always, if you want to know more about the King Carlos or the matching trousers, where do you have to go? Bikerheadz.co.uk. Hey, see, man, I managed to get through all that without saying the word